Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Chrysler 300 fuel pump. First, ensure your vehicle is parked on a level surface with the engine off. You'll need to gather a few basic tools, including a flathead screwdriver, a fuel pump lock ring tool, and a new fuel pump. Safety is paramount, so always disconnect the negative battery terminal before starting any work. This prevents accidental electrical shorts. Now, let's get to the fuel pump itself. Begin by removing the rear seat bottom cushion. It usually just pulls straight up from the front edge. Once the seat is out, you'll see a circular access panel on the floorboard. Carefully clean the area around this panel to prevent any dirt from falling into the fuel tank when it's open. This step is crucial for maintaining fuel system cleanliness. With the access panel removed, you'll see the top of the fuel pump assembly. Before disconnecting anything, relieve any residual fuel system pressure by opening your fuel cap. Next, carefully disconnect the electrical connector and the two fuel lines attached to the pump. Be prepared for a small amount of fuel to spill. Finally, use a fuel pump lock ring tool to unscrew the large retaining ring counterclockwise, then gently lift out the old fuel pump. Installing the new fuel pump is essentially the reverse of removal. Ensure the new O-ring seal is properly seated before placing the new pump into the tank. Carefully tighten the retaining ring using your specialized tool. Reconnect both fuel lines and the electrical connector firmly. Before replacing the seat, turn the ignition to the on position a few times to prime the system. Then start the engine and thoroughly check for any fuel leaks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.